My name is Marcelo. I'm one of the co-founders of Fintora, and I'm excited to share with you a demo of the AI-powered data mapping component of our product today. So let's dive right in and see how it works in action. Let's start first with an output report an FP&A team may be tasked with regularly preparing. It might be an income statement, balance sheet, or anything else. We'll focus on an income statement here. You can create one from scratch using our templates or modify an existing one as well. But in setup, it's more than likely that the user already uses a spreadsheet to put together their income statement. So what the vast majority of companies do is they'll download data sets and reports from their ERP and other systems, then copy paste it into a master spreadsheet where they already have formulas prepared that link into the income statement tab. Well, you can upload that whole file, which we've done here. We developed a proprietary technique using a combination of LLMs and knowledge graphs to parse the content of the spreadsheet into structured outputs. And by structuring the data, our AI has distinguished what's an output report. In this case, we want to focus on the income statement and what are the inputs or data sets. And not only has our AI distinguished between the two, but it's also suggested the most likely data sets that feed into the income statement by placing them at the top for you to confirm and select, which we've done here. And now that we've confirmed that the income statement is what we're preparing, Fintora renders it and renders it in the precise format of the income statement we just uploaded. So this is important because it means the data is structured in the way the user is already used to seeing and working with. And while you can adjust this format in any way you'd like, by default, we render what was uploaded because we believe users already know how they like their reports to be organized. So our users, our customers, they don't have to spend days trying to organize their data into the right format or have to pay someone else to do this step of the implementation. Fintora does this automatically, speeding up the time to value. So the inputs or the data sets that feed into the income statement have been stored here. And as the next step, we can set up the connectors to the user's ERP, CRM, or whatever other systems, apps, or tools they use. And you may notice that this step wasn't the first step. By beginning with the output, Fintora's AI can infer which inputs the map and any necessary transformations, streamlining the entire setup process. So now our AI is going to take the data sets we imported from the spreadsheet, automatically match them to the data sets of the ERP or other systems we just connected to, and finally map them to the output reports. It will suggest most likely table columns and dates for you to simply confirm. This can be done quickly with the rest of the line items, and just like that, you've mapped everything in minutes. So with other solutions, this type of mapping can take weeks or months. Once mapped, you'll also be able to create different dimensional views of your reports. So if you want to see the income statement organized by geography, by business unit, by product line, or by customer, you can do so in seconds. Now that the income statement is mapped, it's saved here in our reports library. Fintora keeps reports up to date automatically with every data refresh from the ERP or other connected systems. You can, of course, create a render, map, and save any other reports you work with here, whether it's a balance sheet, sales planning, or customer core analysis, or literally anything else. And we'd be remiss if we didn't show a bit of our spreadsheet plugin. If you want to prepare other custom analyses or reports, you can do so in your spreadsheet by using our plugin. You have the flexibility to pull data from the data sources directly into your spreadsheet without having to leave it. You can do drill downs as well without having to leave your spreadsheet. And if the spreadsheet is a data source, you can sync it back to Fintora, which will update every other connected report. So that was a quick demo of Fintora's setup, speed, and flexibility. In future videos, we'll showcase more of our other FP&A features. Thanks for watching.